Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete Facebook posts. So in order to delete a Facebook post, all you need to do is go into profile on the Facebook app, and then you can of course delete any post you want simply by clicking on the three dots at the top right corner of your post, just like this. And then what we're going to do is we are simply going to click on move to trash, and you want to click on move. And now your post is in the trash, meaning that your post is not completely gone from Facebook, it is only moved to the trash. However, no one can simply see it anymore on your profile. In order to actually delete it from your trash, all you need to do is click on menu, then click on settings and privacy, just like this, and click on settings. Then you want to type in your posts, and then click on search, click on your activity, click on activity log. And then what you simply want to do is you want to make sure to click on trash. And right now, this is the post I just deleted. So what you want to do is you want to click the check mark, and you want to make sure to go right here on the three dots and click on delete, and you want to make sure to delete it, and now it's completely gone from Facebook. So that's how you can delete a post on Facebook. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.